Hi there, I am WaLead from WaLead.ai, and in this video, we're gonna see how to export leads from WaLead.ai to Google Sheets. So let's do it. First thing, we will go to Google Drive. We will click a new and create a new Google Sheet, Google spreadsheet, like this one. Now we will add a name like from WaLead.ai to Google Sheets, something like this, right? Then we will delete this and we will click here where it says any person with the link, and we'll click on editor mode. Amazing. Now we'll save. All right, so here you have two options. First option is let's add everything here together, so all your campaigns will go here, or you can split it in different Google Sheets or in different sheets here, right? So it depends on you. So here, for example, I can add like Clay Europe. It's one of my campaigns. And here, for example, I can add another campaign. Let's call it onboarding. All right. So now we'll copy this first link. We will go to my campaign called Clay Europe. We will go to where it says options, and then we scroll to Google Sheets integration. We'll paste the link automatically. The software. So I am pasting actually the link. You can see here. The only thing is that the software transforms it in this weird ID. So once we have this, then I have to select when should I send the lead to Google Sheet. Once I receive a message from the lead, like a reply, once an invitation is accepted, or the two, the two of them. For example, once I get a reply, and also once I tag this as interested. It depends on you. So normally I filter a lot which kind of leads go to my CRM. So I click this option, but it's up to you. So let's create this webhook. Automatically done. Perfect. Now we will go to the other campaign. We'll call it onboarding users. And now we will go to options and we'll do the same. But if I want that campaign to go in this sheet too, then I have to use this link. But if I want to go to this other one, I have to copy this other link because it's different. So we will paste it here, click on tag as interested, and save. Perfect. Now we can go to the inbox. We'll filter some people from this campaign, like these guys. Even if it is interested, you can just take it to another tag and back to interested, and the information will be sent here automatically. Here we go. We can choose another one, do the same process to close or of the office or close or anything, and then back to interested, and immediately it's sent again. Let's do it one more time with this guy, for example. Let's go not interested, back to interested, no, back to lead, interested, and here we go. Perfect. So as you can see, we have a lot of information. So before analyzing that, let's go to the other campaign, onboarding users. Let's do the same with this, for example. Not interested. Let's go here. Now you don't even need to add like the columns and all that. It's automatically. So let's click on interested again, and automatically it's created with the data. Let's do it one more time. Take this guy from not interested to interested, and here we go. Perfect. So in the lead, we can see we have a lot of information. For example, we have the name of the campaign, we have the first names, we have the LinkedIn URLs. If the guys have email, we'll also have the emails here, the company name, if it has replied, what the lead has replied. We also have this info, the date of reply, which sender did we use, the status, the headline, summary. If the guy has a summary on LinkedIn, we'll also get that. All right, and some other information like, well, the information that you already have in your campaign. So this actually depends on you. So this is the kind of information we are getting, and it completely depends on the information you already have in the campaign. So yeah, guys, so it's really easy. You can do it. And once you have this, then you can do like a Make or Zapier integration, so that you send automatically the lead from here to whatever CRM you are using. So I will do, yeah, right now I will start doing some more tutorials, like covering how to integrate this with Breakout, HubSpot, and other CRMs, so you can follow the other part of the process. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and see you soon. Bye bye.